Welcome back, everybody. We are here. It's 36 degrees outside. It's cloudy. We got Nick at first in the chat. Next level. Gary. We got Nick F. Next level. Gary. No toast. Gary. No toast. Gary. No toast. No toast. Gary. No toast. No toast. Gary. No toast. Gorilla. Gary. Frank. Gary. The famous ones. Forgot my cup. Gary. Next level. Gary. Gen G. All of you guys, so glad to have you in here. Let's check the market out and see what's going on as Bitcoin testing $47,000. Where was the resistance at 46? Didn't exist. Did not exist. What's up, bro? What's going on, Master? We have AMC in the top left-hand side. Top left-hand side of the screen, finishing at $5.30 today, up a decent 2.5%. Shiba Inu coin, man. Shiba Inu coin should be higher than this based on where Bitcoin's at right now. But Shib sitting at 948 points per coin. 7% gain on the day today. GameStop 1580 down 1.03%. Bitcoin sitting at $46,831. Might be curling back over. Be careful. Try to curl back over here. Found a little support. Watch out though if it does end up coming back down below this this little level at 46.7. You can see it fall all the way back down. It ran so quickly, guys. You got to be careful that if it does begin to come back down now, it might be a little bit of a decent sell-off there. But floating, man, at $47,000 all afternoon long. The NASDAQ, 2.20% gain on the day today. Nothing but beautiful bottom left to upper right. Look at this day, man. Look at this day. All day long gains. Smokes, man. 2.20% back up to 14,846 points on the NASDAQ. You've got Dogecoin, 8 cents again. Ethereum, 23.37. Shib, 9.47. Bitcoin, 46,773. The SPY sitting at 474. You got QQQ, 404.95. Mullen Auto, $13.04. You've got Sundial sitting at $1.67. Netflix, 485. Highcroft Mining, 250. MPW, oh man, MPW down another 5% today. $3.40 on MPW. Tesla sitting at $2.40. Oh boy, well, wouldn't that be nice if this was like we were in a time machine and you were getting Tesla for $2.40? Amazon sitting at $147. Apple sitting at $185.56. 2.5% gain on the day today for Apple. We're going to watch Bitcoin, man, because I want to see if it falls down below this little level of support that we've got intraday. We're watching that. If it breaks out to the upside, we're watching that. We're going to watch Bitcoin break up or down out of this channel right here. And then, I don't know, I guess let the games begin, right? Let's see. Nope, too slow. You didn't see me. Uh-oh, didn't see him. Dude is fast, man. 46,000. Next level. That's right, man. 46,000. 46 schmausen, man. That's what Bitcoin said today. 46,000. 46 schmausen. It was just, seriously, I mean, Bitcoin did rip today. It was breaking 46,000 when we were done with the live stream this morning and absolutely ripped, man, to 47,000. To test 47,200. I was watching it not all afternoon long, but I was keeping my eyes on it, and I was like, oh, smokes. Dude, it's been gaining so fast, guys. I really wonder if an ETF approval is going to make it go even further up. I really do. I mean, it seems as though the market is already pricing in an ETF approval. Therefore, if we do get an approval, I mean, maybe we got a little FOMO kick where it could jump up and come back down, and then traders start taking advantage of the liquidity and so on. But, dude, it seems as though it is, like, fully priced in to the market right now. And then next, we're going to have to look to the Bitcoin halving to hopefully drive prices up, because it seems like it's been going up forever and we still don't have an ETF approval. See the markets tell you a recession is coming is total BS. Gary, I'm telling you right now, man. I still do think that a recession could come if interest rates, I guess, aren't peaked. Okay, I would have actually expected a recession, a receding in spending to have already occurred. I mean, dude, we're talking 5% to 5% level interest rates that you're earning at the bank, right? But if you're going to the bank and taking out a loan on your house, man, you're paying 8%. If you're taking out a loan on a car, I don't even know what the rate is right now, but it's going to be more than 8%. So it's absolutely ridiculous how much people are losing to interest right now. That should have resulted in a receding or a recession in spending. And apparently it's not. So that part is a little strange to me. But yeah, man, I guess if it kicks up a little further, you could be on the hook for a recession there. But Bitcoin, man, Bitcoin bouncing right off. Look at Bitcoin bouncing right off of that intraday support line that I put on the screen right there. Hit it perfectly, man. Come down here, boom, rips right back up from 46.7 all the way up to 47,000 is where it's at right now in about 2 minutes. This is ridiculous, man. $46,960 right now. And well on its way back up to test 47,000 again. And if it breaks this level right here and gets a little confirmation, I wonder if we could be testing 50,000 today. Let's see what we got. Okay. So we do have a little bit of wicked resistance in this 48,000 range, 48,200, but it may have found that 48,200 level because of the 200-day moving average. That's a possibility. You guys see it wicked up, couldn't pass it, and then ended up curling back over. That could have been because of the 200-period moving average. If that wasn't the case, we're coming all the way back down here to December of 2021, January 1st. 2022. Wow. Guys, we might be going all the way back to 2021 prices. That is crazy. You had a tiny little level at 47.7 on January 1st of 2022 and December 31st of 2021. That was also the 200-day moving average. If we're not taking that moving average into consideration, I would say the next level of resistance is going to be 50,000. So if we break the little area that we're at right now, we could absolutely touching 50 right there. Now that is a while ago, so I don't know if those lines are still going to hold up or not. But we don't have that 200-period moving average to result in some resistance if we break up to the upside. So very interesting to see how that's going to play out. But dude, sitting right here at $46,975, it looks like it wants to go up instead of curl back down and go down. For perfect credit without incentives, car loan is 7.9%. Well, we know that the average citizen does not have perfect credit. So I guess it is right around the same as a home loan at this point in time. 7.9, 8% right there. Libro, coming soon. YMAX, Yield Max for all their oh my gosh, dude. That's a nice little ETF then, Frank. Yield Max for all of their products, and YMAG, the Magnificent 7, top 7 Yield Mag products, posted YMAG in the DMC. I want to see this Discord member chat real quick, what we got on this, because that is... Do I have it open? Huh. I don't think that I have the Discord... Do I not have it open? I don't think I have Discord open. Hold, please. What is... First try. Dude, it's too easy. It's too easy, man. Okay, yeah. Oh, there it is. I'm like, dude, I already verified myself. What the heck are you talking about? Own this joint. Okay, yeah, what do we got? Yo, Max, Apple, Amazon, Google, yes. Meta, FBY, MSFO. I don't even see it. Oh, is that the top 7? Maybe that's the top 7 there. Is that one the YMAG? Yeah. YMAG posted in the Discord. Dang, dude. Apple, Amazon, Google, Meta, Facebook, Microsoft, Nvidia, and Tesla. That's not a bad one at all, man. All right. What does Bree Guy have here, man? Uh, 775 Bree Guy, man. I don't really know what the algorithm was doing there for you. That X algo 1 or X1 algo. I didn't really understand that chart. Were those trading signals, buy and sell signals? Well, I dropped my new unprotected iPhone titanium straight onto the tile and nothing happened, not even a scratch. What is your tile made out of, man? Rubber? What the heck? Outdoor Smile, I'm not buying it. I'm not buying it, man. You either have rubber tile and you're talking like a tile gym floor, or you're missing something there. All right. Chris, it's been a minute, man. Where the heck have you been? Chris says, hello, everyone. Worked some snow this weekend. Probably tonight. Freaking was sent out with faulty brakes. Salt truck slammed into my coworker's truck. Saturday, oh my gosh, dude. Everyone good, though. Dude, that had to be absolutely annoying. Especially driving. Are you guys using, like, big, not like dump trucks, but really big trucks? Or are you guys using pickup trucks with salt spreaders on the back of them? Because, dude, if you're driving like a big salt truck and you're ripping right into your buddy's salt truck, that is messed up. So, Chris, glad you're okay, dude. Hopefully you weren't going too fast and it was right on the, I don't know, hopefully it was in the parking lot. You guys didn't have to do anything too crazy there, but yeah, man, glad you're okay. Thank you very much for the super chat. And what a way to start snow plowing season, by plowing into your friend. Good job, Chris. Hello, new to your channel. Just started watching less than a month ago and really enjoyed. Biddy Boo Brown. Glad to have you in town. 2 things, Biddy Boo. Number 1, very glad to have you. Watch this. Guys, everybody welcome Biddy Boo to the live stream. Very glad that Biddy Boo's watching here. Number 2, Biddy Boo, how'd you find the channel? I want to know. Anytime new people come in and find the channel, have you been watching videos for a while and you just decided to watch the live streams? You just get into crypto? Like, what are we working with here, Biddy? What are we working? We need to know. Look at that. Welcome, Biddy Boo. Welcome, Biddy. We need to live in a world made of Nerf. That would be pretty sweet. Trust me, bro. I can't. Outdoor Smile, man. I think you might be running an iPhone ad or something. Right now. There's no way. There's no way that you dropped your iPhone straight on the tile and it didn't do anything, man. Hello, everybody. Just jumping in. Richard, glad to have you. I'm counting on it. Moji, as you should. Welcome, Boo. Welcome, Biddy. Boo. Yes, Outdoor. Rich says welcome. Thank y'all. Absolutely, Biddy Boo. Hey, I was on the big boy. They were in the pickup, salting the sidewalks. You gotta go 10 to 15 miles an hour, and it was at a hospital. So if something did happen, we were right there. Nice, Chris. That would have been good. I walked in. You got to walk into the hospital. Oh yeah, I was salting your guys' parking lot there and ran right into my coworker. So yeah, we're gonna need some stitches right now. Busted the glass. It was crazy. It was bad. You guys are gonna need to call somebody to clean up the parking lot because we can't do it now. Jupit, thanks. It was not as great as Clay's, but I had to show some love. I don't even know what he said. Gary, like the other. No, Gary, man. Dude, Gary, I didn't listen. I'm going to be honest with you. I didn't watch your honorarium video, but I can guarantee that you made one just as good, if not better, than the one that I made. Seriously, man. Seriously. Never talk down about yourself. And you get so many people out there that can talk down about you. Never talk down about yourself, dude. That's just, don't do it. Just don't do it. If you want to do it, don't do it. Let other people do it. Let them be the annoying ones. Don't do it about yourself, man. Gary, now you just learned. Now you're not going to do it anymore. Perfect. Welcome, Jupet. I like it, man. Well, I just got into crypto and started looking at Shib, and there I was. Yes, Biddy Boo, that would be a fact. If you type in Shiba Inu coin, you are likely to see a lot of my videos. So glad to have you. And of course, listen, if you got any questions about anything, this is the place to ask them. All right? I don't get to answer all of my comments. I don't get to go through and do everything on Twitter that I would like to do, but I can be as interactive as possible in here. A lot of people, a lot of very smart people in here. If you got a question that I don't see or can't answer, somebody else will probably take a stab at it and get it right and answer it better than I could. Otherwise, just make sure that, you're interactive in here, and if you don't ever feel afraid to ask a question. Back to the future! Thank you very much for the member chat. Happy to be here with my bros and broettes 100%. Back to the future, man. Thank you very much for keeping that green name for 10 months, man. Look at this, look at this, look at this. We got Brian Searing. Thank you very much for the super chat. Brian says, hey Clay, love the Paul Chain video. Community is buzzing and sharing it all over. Thank you for all the streams and awesome content. Can't wait to show the world what Paul has been building in the coming weeks. 2024 is going to be the best year ever. Brian, man, I like doing it. I like doing it. I'm not going to lie. I like doing it. It's a little bit of... not a stretch, dude, because it's no different than what we do when we go through the live streams and so on. But doing like a Bitcoin video or a Terra Luna Classic video or Shiba Inu coin video, I can go sit down there in the living room, turn the camera on, and honestly, even if I didn't read through an article, if I didn't read through something that was happening that day, I could do a Shib video. If I just look at the price, I could do a Shib video after, 2 minutes of looking at the price. Maybe look up a couple other statistics, volume, just to say something, right? But I've done so many of those. And I can close my eyes and I can see the price chart. I know what's happening. I know what people are buzzing about. I know all of that stuff. So it is nice doing something like that honorarium video I did. I did one yesterday on Meme Combat, sponsored video on Meme Combat yesterday. I did the one for Paul Chain over the weekend. It is nice doing something like that because not only does it let me jump into something else, but not like a challenge because like I said, it's what we do in the live stream here, but it switches it up a little bit. So I do think that is nice to be able to switch it up a little bit like that. And I absolutely appreciate the super chat about today, and it was on Friday, right? Brian, man, thank you very, very much for that. Oh, dang, outdoor smile. Oh, yes. Let's hope the altcoins follow. Let's hope they do follow, man. I'll have to wait until next month for the honorarium. Absolutely Biddy Boo Brown, no problem there. I watched the Dog Chain video for 15 seconds. Well, thank you very much for ruining my watch time, roulette wheel. Nah, man, you didn't ruin the watch time. But I do thank you for watching it, even if you did watch it for 15 seconds. I would hope that you guys would watch at least until the midpoint, but 15 seconds is still better than 0 seconds. Every video I have followed to do it, the Robinhood tells me not a valid address. Biddy Boo Brown. Well, if someone could help me figure out to transfer to wallet, that would be awesome. Okay, so you're thinking about transferring off of Robinhood and onto like a MetaMask or a Trust wallet, right? Is that what you're asking, Biddy Boo? It should be fairly simple, okay? I don't have any assets on Robinhood though, so I've never transferred off of I might have a couple like free stocks for opening an account on Robinhood or whatever. But I don't actually own anything on Robinhood that I would have gone in there and bought. So if that's what you're talking about, I'm sure other people in here have done so. But just let us know so we can know better. I can help you transfer to a wallet, but no guarantee you'll receive your tokens. Watch out for roulette wheel, Biddy Boo. Watch out for that guy. Biddy, it's pretty easy. Just make sure you transfer the proper token, ERC20 or Ethereum-based coin. So make sure whatever you're transferring is the same type of token. Yeah, what I would recommend in that situation, always do like a test transfer. Small amount, even if it's $1, $5, whatever you want to do, I would always transfer a test amount to see if it works first. The last thing you want to do is lose your crypto because you sent it to the wrong wallet. Clay, not starting no debate, but do you think the Supreme Court will put Trump back on the ballot? Chris, in my opinion, yes. In my opinion, yes, man. Let me put it this way, like you say, without starting a debate, man. I don't think it's right to, and I know that there are like, and we're not going to go down this route or anything. I know that there's like insurrection laws and stuff like that and so on, man. But I truly think that this type of stuff is politically motivated. I really do. And I don't think, even if you guys want to vote yes for the guy or vote no for the guy, I think you absolutely need to have the option to vote yes or no in the first place. I think taking somebody off the ballot, dude, puts us no different than, and I'd say the same thing, right? If you were voting yes or no for the Democrat side, I would think it's no different if you're going to be locking people up ahead of an election or taking them off a ballot ahead of an election to simply win or have a better chance of winning. Dude, it makes you no different than some of the other countries that people try to escape all the time. So, yes. It doesn't matter to me if you guys would like to vote yes, if you would like to vote no. What matters to me is that you guys will get to vote yes or get to vote no. So, yeah, Chris ain't trying to start no debate, man, but I don't think that... I don't think they're going to take away that right, man. I don't think they're going to take away people's literal right to vote. That would be nuts. I just got home from physical therapy, and the market is ripping. ETF get approved, and yes, a great video on Dark Bros. Come on, I shared it on Facebook and X. Richard, thank you very much for that. Let's see. I don't think that an ETF has been approved yet. I think that this is still speculation of an ETF being approved, and people coming in here and getting excited about an ETF possibly being approved. That's why I say, man, you guys got to be very careful because it looks like the market has already fully, well, maybe not fully, but the market has already extremely priced in a Bitcoin ETF approval. So if it does get approved, how much higher could it possibly go? I mean, the answer is it can go a lot higher. But in theory, if it's already priced in, it shouldn't go higher. But if an ETF gets denied, watch out, man. If an ETF gets denied, you guys better be ready to sell and buy back in later, or better be ready to load the boat, man, because you're going to be seeing some discounts on that one. Let's see here. I don't know. Bought wallet from Amazon through your link. Oh, okay. Gotcha. Looks like a credit card. Okay, Lonnie's talking about a cold storage wallet then. That's what he's talking about. Talking about a cold storage wallet there. Bitty Boo, you should not have to buy a wallet. He's talking about a cold storage wallet. Yes, it doesn't sound like, if he's talking about the one that looks like the Tangent wallets that they have, those little cold storage wallets. It seems like that's what we're talking about. And Bitty Boo, thank you very much for using that Amazon link as well. You contributing to the Shiba Inu coin burns that are out there. It's all right. Even if he's Chris, and I believe a lot of people will, man. I really do. I believe a lot of people will. What I would hate to see in that sort of a situation, though, is it be counted as invalid, right? I think that's going to cause a lot of problems, man. I really do. Hey, Robinhood won't even let me put the tokens in my Robinhood wallet. In Bitty Boo, which ones do you have? Shib? Because I'm pretty sure you can transfer Shib off of Robinhood, right, guys? Like I say, I don't have it, but I know that they, I I know that they got support going for that stuff a long time ago. First thing is make sure your tokens are supported by the cold storage wallets. I just can't figure it out. I don't use cold storage. I have some Litecoin in one, but that is it. I'm a girl. Biddy Boo is a girl. Biddy Boo's a girl or Biddy Boo's a boy. Biddy Boo should still be able to figure out how to get these coins off of Robinhood there. Let's see. The Kathy Woods just said she really optimistic the ETF would be approved, and she's a very smart chick. Oh, Chris, dude. The Bloomberg analysts right now. I looked at. I didn't look at any analyst stuff today, but I was looking at it yesterday. Bloomberg analysts say there's a 95% chance that these ETFs are going to be approved in the next couple of days. Dude, you know, they don't even have like 95% hit rates with company earnings. So these analysts out there are very, very confident that an ETF is going to be approved. Now, I'll say that confidence is driving the price of Bitcoin up. I mean, we're testing $47,000 right now. So the fact that we're testing $47,000 is evidence that the market is very confident we're going to see that approval. If we don't, though, okay, Kathy Wood, she's smart. She's also optimistic because she wants her ETF to play ball here. Guys, you know, you're looking at the fees. Let's just say the average fee they're going to charge on these ETFs is 0.5%, because they're anywhere from like 1.5% on Grayscale to I think like 0.29 is the lowest, 0.029 or something, 0.29% or whatever it was. So let's see here, 0.005 times. Let's say they get $10 billion in assets under management. Guys, that means that these people, you know why they're so optimistic? If they get $10 billion in assets under management, and that's not a lot of money. I mean, think about it. That's not a lot of money. You're talking about Bitcoin being worth 800, almost, is it 900? Actually, I don't know what it is today. It might even be $1 trillion. Let's see real quick. $900 billion in market cap. If these ETFs get $10 billion in Bitcoin or assets under management to buy these Bitcoin ETFs, $50 million a year in fees. Just on that Bitcoin ETF. If they get 20, you're talking $100 million a year in fees to run that ETF. All they're doing is buying and storing Bitcoin. They're not trading it. They're holding Bitcoin. Guys, these ETFs these companies are so eager and optimistic that these ETFs will be approved because they are going to be making sick amounts of money by people jumping into this new industry of these new ETFs. $10 billion in assets under management is going to be nothing one day. It will be trillions of dollars in assets under management 5, 10, 15, 20 years down the road from now that's investing into Bitcoin. And I'm telling you right now, these ETFs, these companies, BlackRock, Vanguard, Franklin Templeton, so on, they're going to be making billions of dollars a year simply in the fees alone to have these ETFs go. To me, man, that's nuts. But that's one of the reasons they want these ETFs so bad, is because it's new, fresh money that's going to be jumping in. I don't know, but Square Dude missed it. Come on, Square Dude, never miss it. Never miss it. About Voyager, we may still get more of the funds back, but it may take another couple of years of litigation. Roulette wheel. Roulette wheel, man. I think we are going to designate you as Voyager rep. Okay, you make sure. I've forgotten about it. All right, I still got the app on my phone, so every time I scroll over, I can see it, and I get a little bad taste in my mouth there. But I have forgotten about it. I said, no way that's happening right there. So if we do end up getting it, to me, that's gonna be a nice little bonus. But yeah, if you ever see any information, I don't go out there looking for information on Voyager. So if you guys ever see anything, make sure to let us know in here, because I have money in Voyager, so I know a lot of you guys do. But yeah, I'm not feeling too confident about it. Enrique Simo. Paul Chain is the way, guys. Heck yeah, there you go, Enrique. Beans and cornbread here. I know I missed something, but beans and cornbread sounds good to me. Let's see here. These pumps in Bitcoin are retail investors buying in right now, excited about the institutional money flowing in. Nachos for national champion. Go wash Huskies. Whatever the heck that means, man. I've moved up from spam to skirt steak, Mo. The money, it's just been rolling in. There you go. Outdoor Smile. I like it, man. I got Huskies over parlay tonight. No idea what you guys are talking about, Outdoor Smile. I moved a lot into Solana. Let's hope these ETFs rip the entire market up. Oh, man. Roulette wheel. Oh, no. That was Lonnie that said that. Lonnie, I hope they do. I actually got... I got a little Solana. Let's put it that way. I got a little Solana now. I bought into Solana at that $100 mark. So hopefully Solana does rip up. I would like that very, very much. But I may use that Solana to trade some of those little Solana meme coins. You got the DEX tools here. Watch this. Honorarium. Looking solid, man. Honorarium with 132 holders. That's not bad. Got some, I don't know if you had new people buying in or not. I thought there was 130 earlier. Let's go right here, though. But, yeah, some of these little Solana meme coins, man. I've been watching these Solana meme coins lately. And I don't know if Analos, Solana backwards. Nope, not trending right now. But I hope the Solana keeps ripping up as well. But, dude, you got some of these coins that have been on absolute fire recently. 2 cents to 8 cents here just over the last week. Blicky, I don't know what Blicky is. Blicky's trending right now. Might be a decent one to check out right there. Baycoin is another one that, all right, it's on the move today. Might be already on its way back down. You never know. But a lot of these coins, guys, I might use some of that Solana I got to trade those meme coins. Not exactly sure if I'll just be holding Solana or not. Now I don't know how to find my way back here to Weeble. That's the button. Oh, boy. That's the button I want. 47,000 Bitcoin. Did we go away for 2 minutes and Bitcoin starts ripping up? 47,074 on Bitcoin. Guys, if it breaks this little level right here, we could be touching $50,000. What is Voyager? Voyager was a cryptocurrency exchange similar to Robinhood, but not like a stock exchange. It was simply cryptocurrency, and it went bankrupt. Filed for bankruptcy and basically took everybody's money. Gave them 35% of their money back. Voyager sucks. So, yeah, Voyager was a cryptocurrency exchange that filed for bankruptcy and took everybody's money. Let's see. No Dark Bro today. Where is Dark Bro? I like down days because that means I can dollar cost average at lower levels. Life of a holder, baby. And roulette wheel is right there. If your guys' strategy is to buy and hold, right? You don't care. You really don't even care what the prices are when they go higher. It's all about buying and waiting. Not waiting to cash everything out one day, but just, being able to slowly accumulate until 5, 10, 15, 20 years down the road, you're sitting on a massive pile. Washington Huskies are a football team going to the national championship against Michigan. Richard, thank you very much for letting me know. Does that mean that Ohio State is not as good as Michigan and the Huskies? Or this is like a different league? What are we talking about? Entered into Solana at $13, Clay. Very, very nice, Lonnie. And I know Tim got in at 19, man. Tim's still sitting on a decent amount there. I just picked up some more. Yeah, I picked up some more Solana at that $100 mark. But I don't know if I'll just hold it or if I'll trade it. I might mess around with those little meme coins. Those little meme coins are fun. Nice to do when you got nothing to do on the weekend. Nice to look at those meme coins and have some fun. Analos is a no. Keeps dipping. Yeah, Khaled, man. You know what I'm talking about then. I don't know where it's at today. Maybe we could pull it up. it fell down to like, you know, I don't know, 1 point per coin or 10 points per coin, whatever you want to call it, and then bounced all the way back up to 2 or 20 points per coin, doubled in value. So I don't know where it's at right now, but let's see if we can see it real quick. And I don't know how to say it either. I don't know if it's Analos, it's Solana backwards, however you would pronounce that. Yeah, 16 back down a little bit today. It's a dangerous one, man. It's a dangerous one. A couple days ago, came down here and tested this 1,000 point per coin level, right? Started to bounce all the way back up to 2,000, apparently 23. And now it's back down to about 16.6 at the moment, after dipping off 15. So I would watch out for that, man. I would watch out for that. Here's the thing, though, okay? Bonk did the same thing, okay? And just because these coins go down doesn't mean that they'll never recover. Bonk did the same thing here. Bonk ran up 30x, dipped all the way back down to nothing, and hit another 100x gain. I mean, look at the all-time chart here on Bonk. You can't even see. Oh, my gosh. Look at this. Zoom in. Yeah. This was a 30x rip here on Bonk when it was first introduced. It went wild, okay? This was huge. And then it died off. It died off for an entire year. Did nothing. And then watch this, man. October, November comes around in 2023 there. It ripped up so huge. It's like you can't even pull it up on the screen here. It dwarfed the other 30x spike. This is over 100x spike here on Bonk. And then, of course, it's sitting where it's at right now. Sitting where it's at right now. Dwarfing this 30x spike back here. And just running wild, man. 100x gain, dude. Nuts to see that action. I bought at 40K. Pat! It's so the Analos or what Bitcoin, dude. If you bought Bitcoin at 40,000, you're doing great right now, man. You're doing great. Let's see. How do you choke against the New York Giants? I don't know. That I'd probably find a way to do so if I was playing. Ohio State done. All right. Well, how was I supposed to know, Moji? I don't even follow it. Let's see. Anyone else scooping up more Tonic and Crow? I will be. I have some Crypto.com coin. I have not added to that in a while, but that is, I will be scooping up some more of that, yes. All right, I'm back. Next level. We were waiting for you, man. We didn't do anything until we were back. So now we can get started again, guys. He's here. Kizuna is around a good entry point, give or take. Kizuna. It's like Kusama, but it's Kizuna. Here we are. $11 million market cap right now. All right. Down 26%. Down 50% on the month. Yeah, all right. So on the annual graph, you can see here that it is back down to this level right here. This is a decent entry if you believe this support's going to hold up. If you don't believe this support's going to hold up, you're coming back down almost another 50%. And if you don't think this level is going to hold up, you're coming all the way back down to here. So I'd exercise a little bit of caution. But if you think that this support level holds up, could be a great entry point, just like Bender's talking about. What was Bender that said that, right? Just like... Where in the world is Kizuna? Oh, yeah, that was Bender. All right, just like Bender said there. I have 100 million Kizuna. Nice, man. I don't even know what that pulls out to because I have no idea how many zeros are in that price there. My flauta broski. I think I'd like it, maybe. I don't even know. Hey, next. I was hoping the Cowboys were coming to Tampa for you. I guess they are not doing that now. Do you think we could see $500 Solana? Yes, I do. I don't know if we will, but I do think we can reach those prices. So Solana, a gasless chain, is is, obviously is much cheaper than Ethereum and so on. Solana tapping out at about $250 during the last bull market. I don't see any reason why Solana couldn't hit 500. The market cap, I think, was like 90 billion. 75 billion. All right. Market cap at about 75 billion at the peak. Now, market cap's $500 price point would take the market cap to about 150 billion. Those are reserved for the largest coins in the world. But it's not unheard of to see a $150 billion market cap. You got Ethereum and you got Bitcoin well beyond that right now. Ethereum sitting at 282. Didn't know that highlighting that would pull that up. And then Bitcoin is sitting at 924 billion. So yes, I do think that Solana could 5x from here and go to roughly a $200 billion market cap and be that $500 price point. Let's see. Philly broken. Don't know what's wrong with them. Well, they better start playing. Or wait till next year. I don't know. Are they still playing? I don't even know what's going on. Hi, Clay. EIPKO token. Srinivasulu. Let's look it up, man. 500 Solana would put Solana around a $215 billion market cap. Yeah, it'd be about that $200 billion market cap level, Lonnie. I don't think it's impossible, man. I don't think it's impossible, but like I say, that's only been reserved for the top 2 coins in the entire world up to this point. So you got to remember that, right? The $200 billion market cap is possible, but it's not going to be easy. I don't even know how to spell this token. Where are we at here? EIPKO. I don't know if that's the right token. Srinivasulu, man. Oh, EPIKO. Got it. All right, here we go. Epico. I don't know how to say it, but man, this is a volatile one. Just over the last 24 hours, you've seen it spike up to 8 cents, spike all the way back down to 7 cents. It is at a decent level of support on the day today. Let's see what the week's got. Week, man, pulling us down all the week, down 20% on the week right now. All right, 500% monthly gains from where we are right now. Dang, this is a nice month here for a very, very, very small token. Okay, going from 1/10 of a cent all the way up to 23 cents earlier in the month. Wow. That's a wild move on the year there. 20x gain. Man, I don't know where this volume came from. But what I do know is this was a tiny token. If it's already up 8x to $100,000 or $700,000 here. Down in this level here, this token would have been trading at about $100,000 to $90,000 market cap. Very similar to where Honorarium is right now. Is where Epico or Epico was. And then it ripped up, man, 20x on some very high volume. So I don't know how people discovered this coin, if it got listed somewhere or what the reason for the gain was. But it is still a very, very small token with a $700,000 market cap. Solana needs to get the rest of that supply into circulation. Yes, it does, Lonnie. People giving up on shit makes me feel bullish about what's to come soon. Next level. They always give up, man. They always give up right before the diamonds are found. I'm telling you, man. So I don't know if we have another leg down or not. But the majority of people usually give up right when it's darkest. And it's usually darkest right before the light gets turned on. So, yes, I agree with you. I looked at crypto bubbles for the first time today. What'd you think about it, Geoped? Biddy, look into some of the small market cap coins and ride those up to enter into larger coins. Could be a good strategy right there. That's just my opinion because the development team keeps on lying. Me too, next level. Shib isn't just a token. It's a way of life. There you go, roulette wheel. Next level. Keep the faith, brother. I like it. Next level. You got to, man. You got to. Solana might take out a lot of people saying, Lonnie, that Solana could flip Ethereum. I don't know if it will or not, but a lot of people do. And I don't know if they're just like Solana fans or what the deal is. But yeah, a lot of people saying that Solana can flip Ethereum. Will it? I mean, only time's going to tell. I really don't care if it does. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not team Solana versus team Ethereum or anything like that. Let's see. Shiba's a way of life. Right into bankruptcy. Well, I hope it doesn't take us into bankruptcy because don't forget, man, I got a lot of Shiba Inu coin as well. I have Shib coffee mug, hoodie, and the actual Shib coin. Nice roulette wheel. Roulette emoji. We will hold a prayer session for everyone who sold early and missed out and became our liquidity later on. And a lot of people will, man. A lot of people will, especially on the way up, okay? People are going to be FOMOing in. And I'm telling you what, man. You guys have seen it. You know, we've prepared for this moment. Like, we are here when things are ripping. Don't be afraid to take some profits because there will always be a bear market that follows. And when the bear market follows, we're simply going to be able to buy more, okay? I mean, the bull market's going to be nice, but you don't want to ride the bull market up and then ride it all back down. I don't care if you hold some of your coins and you just plan on holding those forever. But, dude, if you're up 10, 20, 30x on a position, take some profit, man. Take some profit. That's the whole point. Let's see. Biddy boo! Dark Bro is not here, but he would say, get some honorarium. Dark Bro would say that, and I have no idea where Dark Bro's at. Dark Bro, where are you, man? It's not right having Dark Bro miss out of a live stream. Hey, does anybody know? I didn't even ask him this morning, though. Is Dark Bro feeling better? I hope he is feeling better. Dark Bro was sick the last couple of days. I got my XRP, Bitcoin Crow, and Sonic. Bumpa stickers. Bumpa stickers. Nice, Lonnie. Dang, man, you're really repping it then. Power Ledger. Clay, good time to buy Celestia. It will go up. Giovanni, man, I did not look at Celestia at all today. I'll take a look at it right after I say, Richard! Thank you very much for the super chat. SC, see a coin. I told you to look at this 2 months ago, and it was 0089. And it's now a penny. So pumped that it's going to hit 25 cents. Let's take a look at it, Richard, because I do know that you've been talking about this one for a while here. SC, Sia coin, $500 million market cap. This annual graph looking phenomenal, going from 003 for 1 cent. My goodness, man. 3xing in the last couple of months right now. Dude, I would love to see a 25x to take it up to 25 cents. And this coin has been around. I mean, it's been through the bull market of 2017. It's been through the bull market of 2021. And it looks like it's gearing up for a bull market of 2024, 2025, man. So, yeah, very strong looking coin right there. Richard, I don't know if a 25x is to get to 25 cents or not, but if it does, man, I hope you take some and make some massive profits on that. Dark Bro's hard at work. Busy couple of weeks ahead. Gotcha. All right. Well, if Dark Bro's hard at work, good. It's better being hard at work than hard at sick, man. Dark Bro said he had to go to work, and yesterday he said he was still fighting this. Man. Darn it. All right. Well, Chris, man, thank you very much for letting us know that he had to go to work there, but stinks, man. I hate it when the bros are sick like that. Okay, sold half my Shib. I gotta keep some. Biddy boo. You definitely gotta keep some of it, right? You think ApeCoin is dead? Personally, no. Personally, no. But I will say this. If the Yuga Lab NFTs are dead, ApeCoin's probably dead. So we could pull up ApeCoin real quick. I don't think that these NFTs literally revolutionized the NFT game. Back in 2021 with Bored Ape Yacht Club and Mutant Ape Yacht Club like leading the way. ApeCoin sitting down here at $1.40 at the moment. bottomed out at about $1.03, this dollar level, sitting at $1.40 right now. So actually, over 2020, the last couple months, is up 40%, which is a very nice gain. But the graph does not look good, okay? And I always have said that ApeCoin is going to be strongly tied to Bored Ape Yacht Club and these Yuga Lab NFT projects. If those NFTs revitalize and rebound, whether it's because NFTs are hot again, whether it's because of their metaverse, whatever the reason, I don't care. Pick your reason. If those are ripping higher, ApeCoin will be doing very well. If NFTs fade out, and I don't know if they fade out for 5 years and then make a huge comeback. Think about that, man. You know, they might fade out for the next 10 years. And then all of these kids, they were 20 years old, they were 18 years old, Bored Ape Yacht Club was ripping higher. It's their Pokemon, right? It's their Pokemon. So they go out and they begin to buy it. They turn 30 years old, they got a little money saved up, and they start going and ripping these NFTs back up. That is an absolute possibility. So I can't say any coin is ever dead. I just know that those are some catalysts that could theoretically revive ApeCoin. Only use Shiba Inu coin with a trading bot. Not bad, Lonnie. You're allowed to trade Shiba Inu coin. I'm still holding that Bitcoin ETF. Should I dump it as soon as the ETF comes out? Dang. Let's see where it's at. Man, that's not bad. It's not bad at all. Dude, it's elevated on all of this speculation here. You know what I would do, Giovanni? This is me, and it's going to be completely up to you. At this point, if you're up 5x, I may take my original amount out and just not worry about it. It's still extremely small at $1.5 million. But dude, I really believe that people are probably going to mistakenly buy Bitcoin, this coin here, or Bitcoin ETF tokens, when either mistakenly or just thinking that they are Bitcoin ETFs when it starts to rip and when the information drops that it's out there. The only alternative, man, is that an ETF does get approved and it's a buy the rumor, sell the news event. This is going to get beat up in price. If an ETF does not get approved, or if they come out and say not now, we're denying it for now, we're not ready for a Bitcoin ETF yet, you're going to lose your profit on this very quick. So that's my train of thought on it, is that I don't know how much you got in it, but if you're truly worried about losing your original investment, I'd probably take it now. Because you could wake up tomorrow and the ETF gets denied, I think you're right back down at the beginning. I really do. If you wake up tomorrow and an ETF is approved, you know, you could either be ripping up 10x or buy the rumor, sell the news type of event, and it is back down there. So that's the only thing I'd be watching out for on Bitcoin ETF token, man. Hey everybody, sorry I'm late. Work sucked. Timmy, glad to have you in here, man. It's always good. It's always better when Tim's in here, isn't it? Did we look at stacks? STX. We did not look at stacks. STX. What do we got? Stacks, man. 13% gain today, not bad at all. Going actually a little bit more than that if you would have bought it on this dip here at $1.57 all the way to $2. 20+% gain. 7-day looking very nice, man. Bouncing off these lows 7 days ago on the Bitcoin volatility. $1.40 lows, already sitting up at $2 per share. The monthly graph looks perfect on this coin. Doubling. Yeah, this monthly graph for stacks looks great. The annual graph for stacks looks even better. Holy smokes, man. Look at that. Going from 20 cents all the way up to $2. A 10x gain. And then, okay, so about the same on the all-time graph here. Man, that actually would have been a decent buy right there. Getting in at this 20-cent mark, knowing that that's down to the 2020 bear market levels of support right there. Here's the only thing I would watch out for if you're thinking about chasing stacks. Let's pull up the trading view so I can draw a line on it. You got the graph of stacks right here. I'm going to do the best I can on it. But horizontal line, you guys can see that this level of resistance, you got some right here at the lower end of these candles. And you've got some right here. And if you're going to be a little bit more aggressive, you've got more of the wicks up here. This level down here, what ran into support back here in December of 2021 after rallying higher, that's where you're testing today. Okay? So I would watch out for that. That's exactly where you're testing right now at that $2 mark. It could get rejected off of that $2 mark. If it does not get rejected, I'd watch out for a rip all the way up to 250. And if you can break that, 280 to potentially $3 per share right here. So those are the levels that I'd watch out for, are the current $2, 240, 250, and then up to 280. So stacks, man, it's running into some resistance right now, but hopefully it breaks it. Timmy, thank you very much for the member chat. Tim throwing a green name out there, and Chris grabbing that green name out there. Chris, if you're in here, make sure to say thank you to Tim. If you're not Chris and you're in here, make sure to say thank you to Tim, man. Tim, thank you very much for the green name, dude. Absolutely appreciate it. And I don't even know if we have any gray names besides Lonnie and Roulette Wheel in here. Lonnie, Roulette Wheel, why are you guys gray? Thank you very much for that, Tim. Absolutely appreciate it, dude. And a lot of people saying congrats to Chris. Thank you guys very much for that. Do you mean Bitcoin ETF token, Gary? I didn't see what Gary said. Sorry about that. Let's see. Tim, helping the green name fam grow. That he is. And Chris even saying thank you for it. So, Chris, man, thank you very much for paying attention. Ken with 2 N's. Sup, bro? Sup, Ken with 2 N's. Glad to have you, man. Chris, just keep it green. Absolutely. Welcome to the green side, Chris. I like it. Yeah, Gary, I believe it is a scam. Address is a McDonald's in Singapore. It looks like a business park in Singapore. But Giovanni, we'll have to see how that plays out, man. Biddy, Chris and Arthur are gray too. No. Roulette wheel. Chris is not gray. Chris is green now. Outdoor smile. 22 months of bro, man. Don't be gray. Be green. Thank you. What a better way to end the live stream than don't be gray, be green. I think that pretty much sums it up right there. Grab that green name, become a bro, like Outdo Smile. 22 months. Oh, bro, man. Looking so good right there. I like it, and I like it a lot. Guys, it is 5 o'clock. And we are going to be leaving with your thoughts of keeping that green name, grabbing a green name for the first time, grabbing a green name again, whatever you want to do. But, of course, on the way out, we got to plug the bro merch right there. If you guys want to grab a nice hoodie, your favorite hoodie ever, make sure to go grab that. I really like the zip-up hoodies, but you guys can get whatever you like to get. But right now, get your name in the chat, and we're going to be doing some shout-outs. Of course, because that's what we do every time we sign off. We got new photo Puto. He says, Tim Hogan Puto. Thank you, bro. And new photo, man. Thank you very much for 16 months of bro. Absolutely loving it. Can't say thank you enough to all you guys with those green names out there. Absolutely appreciate every single one of you. We're going to do some shout outs. We're going to be back with videos tonight at 7 p.m., videos at 8 p.m. Make sure to watch them 1,000 times. We got Moji, man. Moji, thank you very much for being in here. DD214 Roulette Wheel. We got Richard, Destin, see you later. Biddy Boo Brown, enjoy your afternoon. Biddy Boo Brown, Nufo to Bulto. Ahoo! Nufo, man. See you later. Moji, Gary. We got the famous ones. Moji, Next Level, Richard Kai, Old Rounder, Roulette Wheel. We got Giovanni, Gorilla Kai, Kalido, Gorilla, J-Bones, baby. We got Geoped, Next Level, DD214, Ken with 2 N's. Later to you, man. The famous one. Once, Giovanni, all of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me. Say it with me, Ice Bear, Outdo, Biddy Boo. Till the next time, hope each and every one of you have an awesome day.